In the pursuit of a spotless home, the Shark NV352 Navigator lift-away upright vacuum emerges as a game-changer. This lightweight 2-in-1 cleaning powerhouse combines the convenience of an upright vacuum with the versatility of a detachable pod, offering you a seamless cleaning experience. Let's delve into the features that make the Shark NV352 a must-have for every household. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications. The Shark NV352 Navigator lift-away upright vacuum is not just a cleaner, but an essential partner in your journey to a cleaner, healthier home. Lift-away functionality. Unleash portable cleaning power. Say goodbye to the limitations of traditional upright vacuums. The Shark NV352 features a lift-away functionality that allows you to effortlessly detach the pod with a push of a button. Now, cleaning above floor areas like stairs, furniture, and tight corners becomes a breeze. The versatility of lift-away ensures that no nook or cranny is beyond your cleaning reach. Anti-allergen complete seal technology. Breathe clean, live healthy. In the quest for a truly clean home, the Shark NV352 incorporates anti-allergen complete seal technology. Partnered with a HEPA filter, this vacuum works relentlessly to trap dust and allergens inside, preventing them from circulating back into your living space. Breathe easy, knowing that your home is not just clean, but also a haven for healthy living. Powerful and lightweight, effortless cleaning anywhere. Experience the perfect blend of power and portability. The Shark NV352 boasts powerful suction to deep clean carpets and tackle bare floors with ease. Its lightweight design ensures effortless portability, allowing you to glide through your cleaning tasks without feeling weighed down. Efficient cleaning is no longer a chore but a satisfying, swift endeavor. Brush roll shutoff seamlessly transition between surfaces. The brush roll shutoff feature is a testament to the Shark NV352's adaptability. Switch from deep carpet cleaning to gentle bare floor cleaning instantly. No more interruptions or adjustments needed, just seamless transitions that cater to the specific needs of different surfaces in your home. Swivel steering. Navigate with precision. Maneuverability is key in achieving a thorough clean. The Shark NV352 comes equipped with swivel steering, offering excellent control as you navigate around furniture, into corners, and throughout your living space. No more struggling with a rigid vacuum now. Cleaning is a fluid and precise operation. Perfect for pets. Conquer pet hair with ease. Pet owners rejoice, the Shark NV352 is your ally in the battle against pet hair. Powerful pet hair pickup attachments, including the wide upholstery tool, make cleaning pet hair a breeze. Say farewell to stubborn fur and dander, and create a home environment that both you and your furry friends can enjoy. Crevice tool. Versatile cleaning at your fingertips. The included 12 inches crevice tool is your go-to accessory for accessing corners, baseboards, tight spaces, and even ceilings. This versatile tool ensures that every inch of your home is within reach, leaving no space untouched during your cleaning routine. 5-year limited warranty. Invest in confidence. Backed by a 5-year limited warranty, the Shark NV352 is not just a cleaning appliance. It's a long-term investment in the cleanliness and well-being of your home. Purchase with confidence, knowing that Shark stands behind the durability and performance of its product. In conclusion, the Shark NV352 Navigator lift-away upright vacuum transcends the boundaries of traditional cleaning devices. Its innovative features, including lift-away functionality, anti-allergen complete seal technology, and powerful yet lightweight design, position it as a frontrunner in the world of home cleaning. Elevate your cleaning experience with a vacuum that adapts to your needs and delivers results beyond expectation. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.